Hi guys, welcome back to your English class with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. As you can see in the calendar, today is Monday, April 19th, 2021. And well, that's all. That's all, I think. Let's start with the class. So as you remember, we were talking about the future. How we say things that may happen and how do we say things that are going to happen. That is a fact that are going to happen. Now we're going to see that conditional in the future. For example, if I finish my homework, I will play with my PlayStation 5. So this is a condition that only if I finish my homework, I maybe play with my PlayStation 5. That's the condition. There are two forms to make this condition. We have the if plus the simple present plus the simple future. Like here, if I save a lot of money, I will buy a lot of Robux. That's an example. Or we have the second form that it's simple future plus if plus simple present. You will get a 100 if you do the work in class. Okay, so that's the second form with the if simple future, if simple present, and the if plus simple present plus simple future. There are two forms. Here we have another examples. We have if I wake up late, condition, I will miss the bus. That's a probability. If I wake up late, I will miss the bus. That will be the result. The condition and the result. If it's sunny, condition, we'll go to the park. The result. If I find your email, the condition, sorry, I will send you the picture, will be the result. So here the important thing to remember is that we use this conditional to describe things that will happen in the future, that may happen in the future with this scenario. For example, if it's sunny, that will be the scenario. What we're going to do, we'll go to the park. We also have some examples here. I will be late if I don't finish my homework. So what will be the condition? Yeah, that's right. If I don't finish my homework, and the result, I will be late. Here we have another example. If you don't eat fruit and vegetables, you will get disease. Here, what's the condition? If you don't eat fruit and vegetables, the result will be you will get a disease. Number 3, or example 3. If I don't bring the material, I will not work. So, what will be the condition here? If I don't bring the material and the result, I will not work. So, this example, we will go to the movies if they have good sanity protocol. So, in here, where is the condition? If they have good sanity protocol and the result, we will go to the movies. That's right. So let's see here. And these are some practice exercises. So we have if he, his boots, his feet. Well, we have the verb run down here. And we also have if it's affirmative or negative. So if he, his boots. What do we do? If he wears, because it's simple present, this is the condition. If he wears his boots, his feet won't get wet. The number 2, if my brother a ticket, he go to the match. If my brother, if so we know it will be in simple present if my brother doesn't get a ticket, he won't be able to go to the match. Yeah, so this is only for you to get familiarized with what we are going to see tomorrow and all the week. And that will be all for today. Thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow, and don't forget to bring the material. Okay, have a nice day.